Fakes not getting birthday notification on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection over here or cellular data. After checking on that, tap on your Facebook and make sure that you have logged into your account. After that, go to your corner of the screen. Then scroll down and you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on that. Then tap on settings again. After that, you can see different options over here. Now scroll down and you can see the option of preferences over here. Now under preferences, you can see the option of notification over here. Tap on notification and here you can see what notifications you receive. So here you can see notification of comments, tags, reminders, even your birthdays. So just tap on birthdays and make sure to allow the notifications on Facebook by push, email or SMS. Now go back. There's another way. If this method does not function or this does not help you, you can just go on the search bar and then search for birthdays and tap on that, and here you can see the birthdays of your friends over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.